What's a story you'll never tell your kids about? When I was in junior high, I stopped hanging out with the bullies in my class, so their ringleader Bryce told them to gang up on me. I could take the punching or even the leaving crumbs in my locker, but then they started spreading rumors, not just about me, but about my mom. So I decided to bring in some homemade brownies, made with love. On Monday, they were totally normal, and on Tuesday, still delicious. But Wednesday, well, that batch had a special ingredient, chocolate laxatives. As expected, I left the poisoned brownies above Bryce's locker during lunch, and he had a smirk on his face when he grabbed them. I had to hold back my laugh when he said, "Hope you don't mind too much, Squirt." I figured he would just get stomach cramps and diarrhea that night. But fast forward 30 minutes later to PE class, when we were in the middle of calisthenics. Suddenly, a girl screamed, "Oh my gosh, what the hell?" A few rows over from me. I looked over and this kid pooped so much his entire gym shorts were soaked with brown liquid. It was going down his legs. It was even filling his shoes. He tried to run out of the gym, but slipped in the brown river and got it all over his body. I almost cried from how much I laughed. Last I heard, the poop incident followed him through high school. No one would hang out with him. He was a social pariah.